All right, so today, ladies and gentlemen, I dare you to like this video. You won't do it, you're a coward and a bitch. You did it? Ha! Made you do it. You ever heard that happen? Someone dares you to do something and they say, you won't do it or you're scared, and then you do it, and afterwards you feel like an idiot because you know the only reason they said you won't do it is because you have to prove you'll do it. Which is kind of stupid, because if someone asks you to run it, down the street butt naked with the pumpkin up your ass, you have to do it because they said you won't do it. It's like a cheap way of forcing someone to do something really stupid. So that's what we're checking out today. A group of guys that do whatever you say they won't do. Or in this case, the cameraman says, you won't do it, and then they do it. Which is stupid, idiotic, and you should not do it. But it's awesome, and we're checking it out. Now, see, this would never work on me, because when somebody says, you won't do it, I'm like, you're damn right I'm not gonna do it. That's what I told my mom. Never worked on me.
Hey, Shami, you can go ask that girl to kick in the balls.
That chick.
You won't do it?
No, you won't do it.
Two,
but he will.
One.
Oh. Boo! Boo! A feather would kick harder than that. Come on!
You won't jump on a rake and make it smack you in the head. Go on.
No, no. Oh, I know the pain. I know the pain.
You won't tip that whole bowl of soup on your head?
You don't actually have to do it. You know that, right? You don't have to do it. And now you're a soupy mess. You won't film in horizontal? You won't do it? He does it. It's still vertical.
You won't tip that carton of milk over your head?
No! Don't make a mess in a store. Oh! Bet that's cold. Oh.
You won't jump over.
I hope you went back and cleaned up that mess, because as funny as it is, like, that's gonna be one hell of a mess to clean up for someone making minimum wage. So you won't clean it up. You won't do it. He does it.
You won't jump over the counter and get yourself some chips? Oh, you won't do it?
Oh, it's like Bunk. The guy that does all the stealing. Bunk gang. A lot of gang shit. Cringy. No way. He's actually doing it. How do you have the balls for that?
You won't shadow box naked?
What?
Go on. You won't do it?
Shadow box naked? No way, he's actually doing it! I mean, it's Hollywood. Like, I'm sure they've seen lots of naked guys shadow boxing. Come on, son. Don't do acid. Don't do drugs. Yes, just come on. Go to college. I'm gonna have to blur that out. R.I.P. monetization.
What a stupid dare. You won't get your armpit waxed?
Really? It can't be that
You
bad.
won't do it?
No, I'm not.
I mean, it can't be that bad, right?
Jackson, yo, you won't do it. You won't wax your asshole. That's what we do.
You don't actually have to do it. You know that, right? He's gonna get his asshole waxed. Are you kidding me? I wouldn't let anything get near my asshole, including an old man that's gonna wax it. No!
You won't do it?
Oh my!
You won't stand up on that pole and jump on your nuts?
No, don't.
One.
The family jewels, my bro. Oh! I gotta stop for a minute, man. I can feel the pain in my balls right now. That has gotta hurt. He turned his nuts into mashed potatoes. Oh! Yeah, you're dead now.
Stand still and piss yourself.
Fuck that.
You won't do it. Going right there.
He's not gonna piss himself, is he? He's actually pissing himself. At least he's hydrated.
Bro,
come on.
As loud as you can in front of all those people.
Will too.
You won't do it.
You won't do it. I like how after he lets out that scream, he looks up in the sky as if, someone up above was screaming, even though everyone knows it's him. He almost gave that woman a heart attack.
You won't moon that bus.
Oh, come on now. What is it with these guys and butts and being naked?
You won't stand here and hitchhike naked?
Again!
Yeah, you won't do it.
What is it with being naked?
Hey, no covering your penis.
Oh, come on! You're gonna get arrested for that.
Naked again? I'm not doing that
Again! What is it with you guys and being butt naked? I sense a little sexual tension going on here. A lot of being naked.
in front of all those people. You won't do it.
Okay, well. I don't even know what to think.
Shami, you won't pretend that there's a spider and you'll make a scene.
There's a spider! There's a spider!
Oh, come on, that is the worst acting. Oh, there's a spider! Very convincing.
You won't go behind the bar and pour yourself a drink? Fuck that. Go on.
Oh, he's doing it. I mean, after you've been naked in front of traffic, doing this is nothing.
Hey, Shami, you won't jump through the window and go grab another burger?
Oh, he's actually gonna get that burger. No, no. No way.
But I got a Slurpee. Jackson.
It's kind of weird. There's like these boundaries. You don't just hop over the service counter and grab food, you know, but you would punch someone in the face if they called you a name. I'm just saying it's kind of funny that, you know, you would never jump through a window and steal food at McDonald's, but you would cheat on an exam, for example. Just me? Oh.
No burgers, but I got a Slurpee. Jackson, you won't go steal Lockie's Uber Eats naked?
What is it with being naked? I think secretly they just like being naked. I wouldn't know what to think if I saw that.
You won't go be a dog in front of those people? Those people over there. Go do what a dog would do.
Oh! Oh, damn, he's gonna bury that beluga whale. Oh, you better run, man. Oh! She's about to beat your ass.
Hey, Jackson.
Oh, get fucked.
Payback's a bitch.
I'm
You
not
won't
doing-
spray paint a big cock on your car?
I'm not doing that.
Go on.
You're gonna ruin your car for
You're
this?
actually really good at drawing dicks.
Thanks, man. Had a lot of
It's a big dick. A dick with nails in it, in the scrotum. All right, yeah? All right, well, that's the You Won't Do It challenge. These guys are legends, honestly. They did it for the sake of comedy. I get that, but there is no way in hell that I just be out in public shadowboxing butt naked. Just imagine you're going to get a job and your boss looks at you, your future boss. He's like, oh, by the way, Jackson, we were going to hire you, but we found this video on the internet of you shadowboxing butt naked. No job for you. See what I'm saying? Like, I would never have the confidence to do what they did. Who knows, though? Maybe they own a business delivering food butt naked and then pissing themselves after they're done. I don't know. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Tell me if there's any other videos you want me to check out. Would you ever do this if someone challenged you, you know, something stupid like run down the street butt naked at 3 o'clock in the morning screaming vampire or something? I don't know. Would you ever do it? If they said, I dare you to do it, or you wouldn't do it? I don't know. Leave a comment down below and peace out.